Hello, so we are going to make some pumpkin cream cheese muffins, and I've measured most everything out. To start with, I've got my oven set at 350, and I've got my muffin cups in my muffin pan. We're going to take 2 cups of sugar and add it to our mixing bowl. And then we have not quite 2 cups of pumpkin. I am just using the pumpkin that I had left from where we made pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving, and so it's going to be a little light on our pumpkin, but it will be fun. But normally you would do 2 full cups of pumpkin, or you could do a can of pumpkin, and that would work. All right. And then we've got 4 eggs. So basically, this is like a mixture of sugar and your wet ingredients that you're putting together. This is a pumpkin cream cheese muffin, and so I've already mixed my cream cheese and my powdered sugar. It was an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened cream cheese, and a cup of sugar that we mixed together. And after getting it mixed together, it is in the refrigerator chilling so that it will be easier to work with and to dollop into the pumpkin mixture itself. So I'm going to turn this on for just a little bit and let it mix together, get creamy together. That didn't take very long. And then we're going to mix the rest of our dry ingredients together here in this bowl before adding it to our pumpkin mixture. So I have freshly milled soft white wheat. We have 3 cups here. Plus, I have also added a teaspoon of baking soda. So we got 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and then there's 2 tablespoons in this mixture here. There's 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cloves, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're going to mix that in. I will get my whisk out, used for that. It smells wonderful. I don't know about you, but I love the fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas, just those spices, those warm aromas wafting through the kitchen. I love it. All right, so now I'm going to turn my mixer back on, and I am just going to, I'm going to take my measuring cup, really not to measure, but just to slowly add in my dry mixture. Bring that down a little bit. And we're going to let that mix together. Pour that last little bit in there. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot my oil. So let me get the oil. Put the oil in. Let's let that get mixed up really well. Because I forgot to add that in with the liquid ingredients. I put a cup of oil in my mixture. You could, well, maybe not. I would say I like to use applesauce, but I haven't tried it with the pumpkin muffins. Okay, all right. So it's mixed well. It's mixed well. Maybe a little bit more. All right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and I'm going to put about, I want to say about a third of a cup, not a third of a cup, but a third of the cupcake cup. I'm going to put the pumpkin mixture in there. And I'm going to have to get a measuring cup because this is going to take too long otherwise. I disappeared for just a minute. I needed to get my cream cheese mixture, and we're just going to put just a little dollop, about a tablespoon of cream cheese mixture into my muffin cup. And then I'm going to cover that with the our muffin mixture. And I will finish filling these, and then I will show you how to do the crumble that goes on top. So the timer just went off for the muffins, so we're going to take those out of the oven. I went ahead and mixed those up and put them in the oven because I decided not to do the crumble because we went shopping today and I'm tired. And so I decided these muffins would be good with or without crumble. So I will do another little short video where I talk about making crumble because I'm going to make some blueberry muffins later and they also will have crumble. But let's test these guys and see. Yep, came out clean. So these are ready, and I have enough that this recipe that I use, it will make 24 muffins, good size muffins. So I think it may say that it only makes, like when I look at the recipe, I got this from Christy Denny, and I don't see a title. No, I don't see a title like for a website or anything. The Girl Who Ate Everything. That's where it's from. The Girl Who Ate Everything, Christy Denny. So, but these are her pumpkin cream cheese muffins, minus the topping, the crumble. All right, thank you.